morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing? Oh, all right. So go to here. And I would have taken this bias. All right. So we are going to see how this coin candle is going to close. But I am interested in buying this bottom. All right. So right now we have a 5-minute demand here. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta make my coffee real quick.
my third eye. You see my halo, untamed no cage ho, flipping through the payroll. I'm about my banknotes, nigga look they taking those. What the fuck we waiting on? It's what I prayed for, right? Black, tell them back. Bitches high, get my lick back. On a get back, they won't hear me get the last laugh. I'm the last, standing all 10 in the grass patch, running cash grab, yeah. I'm off the medicine, they on the set of this. Niggas finna settle it, I'm him, no questioning. Up late, no rest again. Them niggas ain't threatening. It's what I invested in. Bring the blasting in, yeah. If somebody told you that they know me, then they told your ass a story. Keep my business on the low key, yeah. If you fuck me, then for shorty. If you not, then it's a problem. I'm the source, we get it sorted, yeah. If you know me, you the homie. If you don't, let's keep it cordial. Keep my mentions on the low key, yeah. If you for me, then for shorty. If you for me, can you show me? Way up near the asteroids, rapping like the writtens do. I'm getting to the cash, boy. The average, I keep adding to my name across to the tabloid. I don't stress fame, but if I want, I could turn me into a household name. Way out of line, still in my lane. Heavy foot in the game. I'm big stepping in the flesh, bitch. I get better with age. Dropping my aim, then pressing play to hit my life. I'm never selling my soul. Get to the dollar off a dream, bitch. I'ma grip what I'm owed. I never fold, I keep it calm. They wanna rise out of me. I keep it glacier, cut you off soon as I see the first sign that you not for me. In alignment with the gods and the kings. And I want everything, bitch, I need that payoff. She say she wanna dip out to Barbados. I'm still trying to comprehend what's a day off. Been moving hella careful, you see what they did to take off. I'm protecting my peace, and I've been chefing this heat. Bitch, I've been revving the pistons, bitch, I've been one with the vision. If somebody told you that they know me, then they told your ass a story. Keep my business on the low key, yeah. If you fuck me, then for shorty. If you not, then it's a problem. I'm the source, we get it sorted, yeah.
Let's take a look at ES real quick. Release high. ES is currently in a range. We'll start taking a look at ES more once NYSE opens. We might have to there is a 15-minute demand here. I think which we already tapped on the 5. We did not. So yeah, I need this to come back to the 5-minute demand if I'm gonna take buys. We'll see if gold is gonna do that.
How'd the Asian session go for you guys?
Yeah,
Boring.
it started as soon as I turned off as soon as we got on Zoom. This candle just started moving aggressively, so couldn't take this one right here. So we couldn't take the buys. And then this low right here didn't come back to the 5-minute demand right here, and couldn't take anything.
Man, Asian session, it fell off a goddamn cliff.
Did you catch it all?
It was crazy because I actually took like a buy can you see my thing? Hold on.
Damn.
I took a buy somewhere like in here, and I caught like 100 in like 50 pips, and then dropped like another 600 pips.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
Which is crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Man, at least you make
Man,
money. I got them clapped during London.
the trading
London.
the trading industry is so freaking gullible. You know,
Man,
do you
this month has been
know
sucks.
do you know freaking Alex G made a new video saying I tried to make $1 million in a week day trading, and the thing freaking has freaking 109,000 views in one day.
One day, that's nice. Your mic's weird.
Oh, on Zoom it must be
Volume
okay.
very low.
It should be good now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, this is the reason why the successful rate in the trading industry is never going to go higher. It's because of influencer like this freaking Alex G and gullible traders looking for fast money.
Yeah. Oh, Edwin, where'd you take your... Sorry, go ahead.
Just freaking setting up unrealistic. Oh no, let me keep my mouth shut. If you talk now, they'll say you're just hating. Hey, Trader E.
Yeah, I took my buys here. I think I drew a demand here, basically. Oh yeah, I'm using this demand here.
Okay.
And I saw C reacting from this demand again, so I just take it. But didn't work today.
Oh wait, you took a buy that high? Even on Zoom, I was during Asia. I was like, that worst case there will be a liquidity grab, price tapping the 30-minute supply. I mean the 30-minute supply, but they didn't tap it. But we shouldn't have taken buys because it's still in the range. We did not close above the range, so there's no need for you to take buys.
Yeah, she didn't tap the supply. That's why I thought, oh, maybe she want to do it.
This was your sale right here. I'm sure maybe this candle confused you right here.
Yeah, I kind of saw higher highs, higher lows, and she closed above, and then start rejecting. So I just take it.
Yeah. Lower time frame has BOS to the downside. It's the 1 hour time frame and above during Asia that we did not close below. That was what I was saying. Okay, we should continue to the upside, and then the sell side should be possible liquidity grab to continue down because of the BOS we have on here. Now we can potentially go back up again. Yes. Looking at this on the 1 hour, we did not close below pretty much Asian low. Price created another low there, so higher chance we are going to continue higher, pretty much potentially back up to the top of the range.
Yeah, just need a retest of the demand.
Yeah. Worst case.
Trying to convince yourself, man.
Worst case, we might possibly get a. If we're gonna continue falling, then it should do it from here. Around this 5-minute supply right here. I think we're gonna go higher.
Oh, Edwin, I posted a little screenshot in the Zoom.
NYSC
you
opens
see
in 5.
that you basically bought where it kept rejecting.
Oh, nice,
You
nice.
see that? It like broke above and then fell back in and started, rejecting it all over again. Basically that value area high of New York just kept rejecting it and then broke, came back, kept rejecting it repeatedly and then fell off a cliff.
Ah, nice, nice, nice. Man, basically
But I
same
don't
ideas
blame you
in
for
London.
buying it, honestly. It was, repeatedly making higher highs, just kept trending. But it's like, oh well, you're too late to the party at the wrong place as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
spot the highs. But man, I just saw the higher highs, higher lows. So I thought like maybe she wanna go to the was it the double tops neckline area around, let me see.
Head and shoulders.
41
Head and shoulders.
4190 basically on Forex.
Forex.
Yeah, I thought she gonna go there and give like a resistance and stuff before going down. And also I saw the hourly actually close above the resistance on the left. So I thought, oh yeah, looks good.
Yeah, that closure is not a strong closure.
Yeah.
I always find it like when it breaks like a high, like a pretty significant high or low, then and it hasn't pulled back yet, man, it's gonna break it and do a massive pullback
Yeah.
before doing the next either move up or it turns into a fake out.
Yeah, that's true. But I was actually looking for sellers who tap the supply, but she hasn't. So I thought like maybe she wanna tap it this time. Still got some rooms for 1-to-1. But she didn't even tap the supply. Just like tag me in and fall off a cliff.
Damn. Gold is
Oh,
pretty scary to trade now.
so much money to be made.
It's just so volatile. It's crazy.
So much money to be lost.
If you can get on the right side of it.
Oh man, you mean snipe it?
No, I mean, reading what it's doing, looking what it's doing, get the right entries. I think this is where all the flow really comes into its own. Having that extra confirmation really helps.
Man, it's just the stop loss so huge. I'm thinking like maybe should I use the 3 minutes now? Even
Like
using
if the
5,
stop loss
like
is too big,
150. It's crazy.
yeah. Like I didn't even trade gold after that one trade I took during Asian session, and it's like I'm just looking at the stop losses, and I'm like, yeah, forget it, whatever. I'll trade later, or I'll just wait for New York to trade like US 500.
NYSC opens in 1 minute. And
What is ES?
US 500.
S&P 500. I'm gonna set an alert here on GC. NYC opens in 1 minute.
Oh, right. We were
Yeah.
talking about like the bullshit YouTuber influencer traders.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember like just a few days ago, I saw like I think it's called Trade Day. They're doing like some influencer trading competition thing.
Mm-hmm.
And there's like a whole bunch of like these, like the YouTube traders who are competing against each other. And no joke, position number 9 and 10, they started a fresh account and they're ranked 9 and 10. So to be in the top 10, you just have to start a account because everyone outside of below 9 is in drawdown and everyone above 9 has reset their account between 2 to 5 times, except for one person, which is Kelly Ann, the prop firm reviewer person. She's actually legit. She's only up like $2,000, just a little bit, but she has reset her account 0 times. Everyone else, like some dude fucking called Bugatti, the damn good trading, like all these like retards, all reset their account like 2 to 5 times already. So I love the fact that they're doing this competition because it just shows you 99% of these fucking people out there on YouTube are full of shit. They can't make money. They just reset their accounts all the time. That's all they do.
Yeah.
He's got a username Bugatti. you know they're
yeah,
you know they're going to be a douche. Oh, it's
God, I love it. I just love it so much because, God, it's just more evidence that they're all full of shit.
I have never seen this amount of orders, this volatility, man, it's crazy. It is crazy what's going on right now. 3,500 pip drop we had yesterday, everyone, on gold. In one day. Gold nearly reached 4,000 in one day. Oh my god. Fucking
every single. Sorry, go ahead.
I was going to say, all this fucking peace talk is doing no good for anyone. Sorry.
What's this?
I was just gonna say,
what's this background thing here on TradingView? Not on this side.
That's probably the overnight session. Electronic trading hours background right there.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my god, I just checked it. Day 22 results. Kelly Ann, she's fucking number 1 with 3,000 profit. And number 2 is 150,000. So he's only $700 up. He's only up $700 after 22 days. That's number 2. And his name's Uncle Bugatti. Dude probably set his count like 7 times by now. Probably like 7, 8 times by now. This
Uncle
is fucking
Bugatti.
embarrassing. Number 1 is up only 3,000 on the 150k prop firm account after 22 days. That's number 1 with 0 resets. And then everyone below reset the fucking shit out of their accounts. And the second highest is $700 in profit. Everyone's in drawdown. Reset their account 1,000,000 times.
Longing gold is dangerous. We'll see about that if we can get back to this 5-minute demand. Yes, on the other hand, NYSE open, we just freaking started coming down freaking aggressively. Was looking for sales, but yeah, there would have been no chance to take this sell at all. There would have been no chance to take a sell on ES. So we got more
damn,
waiting
he still
to
got
do.
that name up? Okay,
Huh?
I'm just gonna ban you. Oh, he's still got that. He's still got that stupid name up. It's like, dude, I've been nice. And it's like, I would assume that he would stop being like a little child by now, but it's like, no, he's still doing it. Okay, I'm banning you again.
Yeah, we hold at this 5 minutes. And here. Copy fed is 5 minutes down here. It is 15. At 15-minute demand will be where I would like to buy ES from. We'll see how we do. This is the best low so far. Yeah, that didn't know what he was talking about. We did not even reject a lower time frame demand. We rejected a higher time frame demand, which is a daily demand multiple times, plus gold is bullish overall. Daily does not look like sales as of right now, in my opinion. That if this is going to even continue to sell, it should be around here, and I'll still be wary of selling gold.
Oh my god, this guy, he's such a sad fucking little loser. Like, this red rooster tiny rooster motherfucker. Now his name is Pies Dildo. Like, he came back with his other account. Like, he's got like multiple accounts and he keeps changing his name. Like, is this guy 5 years old? Like, what the fuck's going on?
Hey man, get back in my drawer.
Yeah, get back in the drawer. Jesus Christ. Here, get banned. I'll ban all his accounts. Oh my
Wait,
god.
wait, Pie, what's going on? You got a dildo?
Eyes dildo effect. What a guy.
Yeah. As long as he doesn't use my name, we cool.
God, I don't know. It's so embarrassing. Like, to be that guy, that's embarrassing.
That was such a good buy from 4065.8, and I missed it.
Yep, this engulfing candle.
This the one before this current candle. Bottom wick.
Oh, this one, right?
Yeah, just that.
I just didn't trust the 15-minute candle. I mean, I didn't trust the 15-minute demand. Now, this candle I would have taken. We missed it. You any buys from the lows holding? Yeah, hold. Absolutely hold.
Yeah, it's got so much room to the upside. Oh shit, I missed it. Fuck my life. I went back to gold to take a look and I fucking missed the buys on ES. Fuck me. Fuck me.
Uh,
God damn it.
now, so of course, depending on your entry type and the setup you look for, good give entry here, give entry here. Now this one right here, for me personally, I wouldn't call it A plus, but there was a 15-minute demand there that we actually did tap. So yes, we'll say 3. But as for me personally, which of these 3 chances would I have taken is going to be just this one. So for me, good has only given me 1 chance to be in buys. For me. Now, if we come back here, now I will take this one. Because here on the 5-minute, we have taken out this high and we've taken out this high. So we'll see if she's going to give me an entry here. Hopefully she doesn't do like freaking Asia session. I feel like we should pull back from where we are currently rejecting to let these sellers get in. Of course, should pull back from here.
Stop lying, Edwin. We both know Danvo had no stop losses. Stop lying.
Man, one setup 150 pips, 100 pip. God damn.
Nah, I wonder. I mean, his stop loss definitely won't be 150 anymore now. Now with this good
Probably 1,000
volatility.
pips now. Keep evolving.
Nah, I don't think he'll use that much. Then again, who knows?
I mean, he put his stop loss at like daily lows or daily highs, if I'm not mistaken.
Ooh.
Dando used to do it.
Nah, that was just for YouTube. He was just pretending it was there. It wasn't actually there. It was only the only stop loss he had was margin called, account closed.
5,000, good number. You hold it to 5,000. Below the low of beginning of time. That's funny. $5K goes stop loss. Hey, One Life Passion. We're good. So you use my link to get 100K stand for in the top one futures. You've been with Top Step since, but seeing the AWS outage that made you blew 1XFA out of 3. I think I heard Top Step is actually giving people accounts, but you have to start from the beginning. And I think if you're still trading the combine, they gave free resets. That the AWS outage is not just only perf firms that got affected. Any company out there, even some big companies, because they use AWS as their cloud, they all got affected. And what StopStep did after the AWS, outage, they can afford to do that because they actually own Project X. That's what I heard. They own Project X. That's why if you notice all the other perfumes using Project X, they're doing something else. They can't afford to do what TopStep is doing. And people trading like on TraderVate or Ninja Trader, all the other futures trading platform, if they use AWS as well, then no one using those trading platform would have been able to trade yesterday. Or if you're already in a trade, you would have been able to close. And I wonder if that happened, if that affected like TraderVate yesterday. I wonder what they would have done. Would they have refunded people their money? No, I know it didn't affect TraderVate because I used it yesterday.
Oh.
But I was saying, I wonder if it had affected them, what would they have done?
Shit. I mean, they had to do something because
Do
they're
you
a
think
real brokerage.
Do you think they'll refund people's money?
Ah, God, I don't know.
That's a hard one.
Yeah.
Because all they have to say is not their fault, and really it's not. It's freaking Amazon's fault.
I don't get it. Amazon is like what? Like a massive internet provider over there or some shit?
Amazon owns AWS. I think AWS, it's Amazon Web Services. It's their
Okay.
cloud-based service.
Okay.
No, just like Google Cloud, Apple Cloud.
Yes.
Oh man, damn it! Yes, it did not get to where I wanted it to get to.
It's rejecting?
Yeah,
It didn't even get back to the highs.
it didn't get back to the highs. I was waiting to see if it's gonna at least get back to that 15, but it did not. Oh, looks like gold, it might give something here, so. Yeah, you're right, from Life Passion. Could I please let you know why you choose top one instead of top step? So the difference between top step and top one, you can look at it from different angles. You can say, well, top step has been here way longer than top one has, or any other pop firm out there, futures. But since we're just talking about top step and top one, and also top step, once you get your funded account, you can only withdraw 50% of your profit. That's why, for example, if you have a 50K account on Top Step, I will not recommend getting a payout at like 1K or 2K. I would recommend getting to that 3K target mark that you had to get to pass the challenge. Then you withdraw 1500. Now you still have a buffer, which is going to be 1500, of course. If you do it that way, you give yourself a higher chance of holding and keeping and sustaining that your funding account. Now, if we now go to top one, when it comes to withdrawing your money, instead of withdrawing 50, you withdraw, I think, 90. So if you make 3K, your payout cap, depending on the account you get, but we'll go with the Eastern funded account. If you make 3K, you can withdraw 2,500. You can cap it, you can withdraw this whole 2,500, or you can withdraw anything you want as long as it's not more than 25. You cannot withdraw more than 25. Top step, you cannot do that. Then again, if we talk about consistency rule, top step is 50 and top one is 20% or 30%, depending on the account you get, or even 15%. 15% consistency rule, and that one is for their cheapest account, which is the Ignite account. So you just gotta pick your poison. This is exactly what freaking Go did during Asia session. Did not get back to this demand. Did not get back to this one below. And it's still does not want to do it. Here we missed this. And we missed here again. Did not come back. And then it just went to the moon. I do feel like the 50% withdrawal rule with Top Step, I don't 100% agree with it, because you're pretty much treating it as if it's a live account, and it's not. It's a same account. Step one does not do that until we actually get to the live account stage. That's when they start operating like that.
Damn, damn.
I know there's not a lot of people watching now because this is a new channel. But can we get some likes? Can we get some likes? Let's see what that would do for the YouTube algorithm. Yes, it's in a freaking range, man.
Yeah.
We're not breaking lows, we're not breaking highs.
That's why I wanted to buy the low of the range.
Yeah. The only lows we broke here on the 5 is right over here to the left of these lows here. And then we couldn't break this. But we're not breaking highs, so we can still continue down.
We can still continue sideways.
Yep, and we can continue sideways.
I was actually gonna switch over and sell the Nasdaq because the Nasdaq was breaking the lows quite hard. The candle did a complete 180 and flipped bullish.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Come on, gold. Can you just come back down to this 5-minute demand?
What's the Kotada woman's name?
This 1 hour is about to close on gold. So we should have an hour demand here.
No, not Cortado woman, not her. Or Hillary. No, I'm talking about yo, the library woman. Hillary, okay.
Trader E, you still have your buys running? Hey, where did the volume go?
I know, right? I was like, okay, well, if the indices aren't gonna move, gold will move. Nope. Gold decide he's not gonna move anymore.
Oh, my cat is dead right now.
Oh, damn. Killbeat said gold will probably sell off. He said that at the 1 minute mark of the hour. I did not read until now. I'd be rich. I fucked up. I should have read it.
right. I have to go use the restroom, guys, but this is possible by entry here. So once you hear this alert go off, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back, guys, while you are in charge.
Well, Abe's about to enter into a spy while I'm trying to sell the ES down here. Trying to target break of these lows and then hold a runner for the... Oh, there we go. All right, break even. Let it run, baby. All right. Oh my God, it's reversing. You got me fucking shitting me. Fuck you. Oh my God, it's fully reversing. Oh, should have taken some profit. Oh well, fuck it. Damn. Damn. That's crazy. Yep, next time. That range is strong as hell. Broke the low again and it went straight back inside. Did Abe even say the stop loss on his trade? Let's see, what is it? 200. 200 pips, targeting 400. It will be a Oh, well.
Order filled.
Oh, Abe's in. What's happening? Nothing on YouTube. Okay. Oh, did Gideon take a trade today?
Nah, nothing.
Okay. You in the buys? You in the buys, Edwin?
Nah, I want the lower one. I think there's like a POC here. Like literally here, I think.
Yeah. It just
Wait, why
tapped
can't I
the
delete this?
POC of, that consolidation. Oh, is that today's POC? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, I just tagged today's POC. Scary movie, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's got room to work.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, you had the PAC and the VWAP
Damn, it rejected VWAP too.
Right
yeah,
at
it might reverse now, but
right at the entry, I'm guessing.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Yeah, if this does not hold, he wants lower. Yeah, my stop ain't gonna make it. What the hell? It'll be a miracle if my stops make it. Ooh.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
still like, oh,
Yeah,
Jesus.
okie dokie. Well, that is. Alright, first loss of the week. See what Asia does tonight. Yeah, since that didn't hold, then he wants lower. Probably come back to this 5 down here. Then it's probably should continue higher at that point. And if it does not come down to this 5, shit, that would be crazy. If it goes back up from here now.
Just below there is like, very little volume. So, man, if that tiny little low doesn't hold, it'll flush straight through.
It makes sense why this first 5-minute demand didn't hold. But then again, if it goes back up from here, that's gonna be a shady move.
Yeah.
If gold does not want to be shady, then it should just come down here. Let's come down to this 5-minute demand here before the bullish continuation. Okay.
God damn it. Yes, you Bastard. Oh well.
Look at ES. Could have taken the ES shots, but didn't even get to the 15 minutes.
Man, I sold
Oh,
it and it came back.
yeah, that was where I was looking to short it from. Just missed it by freaking. I don't even think it's up to a tick.
Yeah. Man, I tried selling it on this bearish candle right there. That bullish candle came back and fucking stopped me out, and now it goes.
Crazy part of gold is that you also have this 1 hour demand here. We could actually hold.
That'll be insane if it goes up from, there.
There's a chance. There's a chance it will. But I'll wait for this candle to close just to verify that support here, double bottom. Which I'm going to give another chance on one of my accounts. I'll probably take this on top step. Yeah. You wouldn't. Yeah, if it gets to entry, I'm only taking it on one account. I can afford to take it on one account because I already took that loss.
Damn you, Naz. I mean, yes. I was gonna hold that shit, the full position, all the way down.
Yeah, I don't even want to hear about ES anymore. At least for today. Would have taken this out, man.
Damn.
The 15-minute demand is the strongest anyway. That would have been the target. This is too. Oh, okay. That's not holding.
Thank God. Thank God. Oh, Kill the Beat said thank God.
I mean, if you get to where I had the entry, it should go up. If it had did that, especially with the double top that would have created. That's why I wanted to see how this previous bullish candle is going to close. Oh man, damn, yes. Damn. We would have had a 50 tick stop loss. Didn't give 1 to 2 just yet. Pretty close. I don't think I can take gold anymore. This stop loss will be huge. Right now I'm just seeing how this current candle is going to close. If this 0.5 minute candle is going to close below this minor lows here, this previous double bottom at 40.62.4. If it does, then I'm going to have to wait for the next candle closure before even taking it. Well, it closed below, so wait for this current candle. Are you talking about this bearish candle to the E? It does make sense for gold to come back down here because this high right here, that first trade I wasn't paying attention. Because it freaking rejected the high that created the low. Now we're back at the low that created this high. This low is a very good place for this to go back up. So this candle closes in 3 minutes. And if this demand fails, we should break these major lows of the range. So if we're gonna go up, this demand should not fail. And every entry is at least 200 tick stop plus.
Not if you snipe it.
Sniping is dangerous. It's for me. If it creates structure, then maybe lower. To the high side, all we have is minor BOS as of for this session. Minor BOS to the upside. So for that reason, it's still looking good for buys at this from this bottom. Plus, we're still bullish overall. No, Twitter. Yeah, I would say if it starts wicking, if you start wicking this low 4029.2, then yeah, it could continue down, even though we have Asia low at 4021. Could continue down at that point. It's going to be another 200. I don't think ES is going to pull back.
Where's Lucian when you need him? I don't know.
This is the supply that I'm expecting. That gold should at least get to, if we're going to break this low, 40.29.2. But we'll see. Might just do it here. Let's see if there's something I missed on it. No, didn't miss anything.
It's a range. There's nothing you can do.
Didn't even get to the 30-minute supply. No, sometimes you just gotta go back and see if you missed something. What time was this? Okay. Look at that. Yep, we missed.
I mean, you can draw boxes everywhere.
No, like I was paying attention to the 15. I didn't even realize there was a 30-minute supply. And that's what he retested. That's what he retested. Yeah, so here's give a setup. We missed it. All right, this is it right here. This is it right here. If this low does not hold, it's over.
That low, it's too straight of a line. I'm just saying.
If it doesn't hold, it's over with. Usually, if gold is going to continue to fall after rejecting a previous low, usually it will get to the origination of the move to the downside, which is why I'm expecting that this is the 15-minute supply that is going to continue to the downside. But since we did not get there, and if we start pushing up from here, we do start pushing up from this low, then chances of this supply even holding is going to be slim. Wow. Oh, 200 will be right at the lows.
Just do it, gold. You know you want those slows. Look how straight that line is. I never seen a line that straight not get violated.
Yes, on the other hand,
It's getting there.
give me a second.
Upstairs. Up the stairs.
Gold ain't usual. Yeah. Gold is falling off a cliff. Sellers are 100% in control.
I don't believe it yet. I'll believe it when I see it.
I believed it when it dropped 3,000 pips.
Damn. Upwards just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
Damn, they're gonna hold that straight line? My goodness.
I'm telling you. Guys, you don't have to take this trade because stop loss here is going to be 250. That's huge. I'm only gonna take this in one account.
I'm at a rare tip. Tell them all just stand down to the cup goal and the stands clear. I've been out running top gun in competition. They know who the man here. I can never fail. I can never fall. Counted up without a cashier. And last year was real 25. I'm a fast on their heels. Built the last, never last up the gear. Hit the gas. I'm a mash till a meal. I can't be lacking till it's sealed. Cause this too extravagant to chill. I ain't missing no games. Road game. Watch me bring it home. I lost a couple out here. This a cold game. But I bounced back from it strong. We had it locked in for they known. It ain't no top 10. I'm the throne. This how you elevate it without selling out. I kept it true to me. Ain't never chasing clock. Now they like, who is he? Who am I? Never tired of running through a knot. Bringing pressure if you knew or not. Cause I can never settle for another spot. Up the level, I'ma make it hot. But I never sweat them. No, they wanna see a king down to his knees. Please, I never let them. This is destiny and I rise every time. All of the odds I defy. They say the eyes never lie. We'll look in the mind, see the prize. Ball hard, no lesser. It's dry mind, no
This low must be taken now at least.
There you go. There's no way in hell a low like that could survive. Straight line. Don't lie.
Every time frame will be closing except for the 4 hour, of course. Just going to be interesting at these lows. So we do up to what? Almost 750. Yeah, if New York eventually closes below a major low here, then we might see buys during Asia session. Or we could see a sell continuation. Because if New York closes below this low, then New York is either going to have to pretty much close below this 4-hour support in order for Asia to continue to the downside. But if we do not, then there's a chance Asia will buy. And if New York continues from here, depending on how New York closes, Asia is either going to continue a sell or pull back and then continue the buys. That's yet to be determined. Oh, I'm still looking to buy from this bottom. Because, like I said, in my opinion, even though the buys, right, did not break and close above the high that created it, which is over here, and we actually rejected it, came down aggressively, Well, they should break this low if they want to continue down. But if buyers if they step in at this low again, we should go higher. And this time we should actually at least get back up to that 15-minute supply. We'll see. I'm still looking for buys until it actually closes below. Actually close below Asia low. We'll give it 30 more minutes here. Let's see if there's a lower time frame demand here. So let's look for this. Now we got a 5-minute demand there. Did not get over there. We gotta get it here. Not even though we didn't get there. All right, I don't think this one. Absolutely tested before. Yeah. I think this is going to be 250. I think that's what I did earlier. I was trying to see if there's a good demand, a good lower time frame demand at these lows. Did not like any of the demand. Man. For stop loss purposes, above this previous candle would have been nice. But this is not bad either.
Order filled.
Alrighty. If you're not in this trade, just wish me luck.
Luck may go to the heavens.
Because of how volatile gold is, I would have loved to use, I think I said it earlier, pretty much somewhere around here. I just didn't like the demand I found on the lower time frame, so I decided to use this daily demand. Not a bad entry. We should go all the way back up. In fact, even break and close above 4106.3.
Looking good. Huge buyer just came in. So
Thank you today. Hey, Radugo, how you doing? Oh, you missed the entry? Look at ES again. Still did not get there.
I was looking for the buys if it just went a bit lower. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Ah, man.
I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back, guys. Well, please take over from me. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go use the restroom.
Nope. Should keep going higher. It's holding above where the big buyer just came in. Around 40, 50-ish. Wait, why does he have that take partial break even thing still there? He doesn't even do either. Oh. I am green on the day. Well, actually, I was already green, but green on New York session. I just took a buy on ES and I took partial straight away because fuck that. Gold, gold starting to pull back a bit. Still holding. Still big buyer area. Still holding. Definitely don't want it to go back under 40.50. Man, is the US still doing the government shutdown shit? Because I'm pretty sure NFP never came out. Damn. So America just has no government anymore. And they're somehow functioning. Oh, okay. Message on Forex Factory. Damn. That seems so crazy. Like, how the fuck does a government of a country shut down? And it's been shut down for like a long ass time too. Which kind of tells you that the country doesn't even need the government because how's it still functioning? Alright, I'm gonna turn my charts off before I do something stupid. Oh, gold's pushing through this area, so it should head to the 1-to-1 quite easily now.
Oh, the music stopped. Oh, I heard you say, "Ask wow." Why do I have big pressures and break even?
Oh yeah, it's like
Yeah,
shouldn't even be there because you don't even do either one.
it's because of some people on YouTube.
Yeah.
Notice lately when we stream Asia, when we trade Asia, I don't have the break even there.
All right. I'm gonna go sleep. It's like 2:30, almost 2:30 a.m. here. Thanks, Abe.
Oh, you going to sleep? Okay.
Take care, guys.
You
See you
too.
guys tomorrow.
You too. Okay, we rejected the POC. I'm just gonna leave this thing running. What happens? This demand here. All right, I have spent the amount of time I wanted to spend on stream today. YouTube, we shall do this again tomorrow. I appreciate you all, so I will see you guys again tomorrow. Same time, same session. God bless. I will see you guys tomorrow. Zoom, we go again during Asia session. We'll see what happens with this trade. I'm just gonna let it run. So Zoom, see you guys during the Asia session.
The only hoe I'm tryna